Day one of the Easter holiday that was almost cancelled.
I'm looking around you right now. We're all enjoying the sunshine and enjoying our Easter break.
Yeah, loving it. Walking the dog, enjoying the sun and going for a coffee.
The state's chief health officer too was finding something extra good in Good Friday, the missing link in one of Brisbane's coronavirus clusters.
It's an enormous relief because when you don't know the links, when you know that there's still something out there, I'm just never sure what else could be going on.
That missing link is a nurse at the PA hospital who has not shown any symptoms, but she treated the same quarantined traveller as the doctor who became infected earlier last month. Last Friday, a landscaper from Brisbane's northern suburbs mysteriously tested positive and was linked by genome sequencing to the PA doctor. Authorities were baffled as to how the virus was transmitted between them. It's now been revealed the asymptomatic nurse passed it on to her partner, who's close to the Stafford landscaper, and passed the infection on to him. The vulnerable 1B vaccine category will now be broadened.
Anyone who lives in the household of a healthcare worker that is now dealing with COVID cases, we've included you in 1B so you can come forward and get vaccinated.
New contact tracing locations relating to the nurse have been released. There are now more than 150 listed in total. That's prompted many to spend their Good Friday lining up at testing clinics. A record 35,300 tests were conducted yesterday, none returning positive results, giving health authorities confidence the worst of this outbreak is over. But frustrations still remain, especially those caught up in the border restrictions. Grant Margetts had been in Brisbane and travelled to Tasmania for Easter with his family. Now he's spending it in hotel quarantine.
Easter escape, quarantine in Devonport.
While some states like Victoria released travellers when Brisbane's lockdown ended, Tasmania is remaining firm.
It's a shame that we don't have some kind of national consensus on this. To me, we're like living in 7 different countries.
Others too are growing impatient. A woman in quarantine at the PA who's a close contact of a case escaped from a ward at 3 o'clock Thursday morning. Police found her later at a New Farm property and returned her to the hospital. The chief health officer isn't worried.
Remember, she's not a case. She's a contact of a case.
Jessica Rendell, ABC News, Brisbane.